This is Daniel Fernback, MarineMax Brick, New Jersey, standing here in front of the L590 L-Class. Let's go take a look. Been aboard, this is a hydraulic swim platform, called a jet ski or tender. Stepping aboard, you're gonna see teak, big wraparound L-shaped seating, sink, refrigerator, and you also have access to a grill. Moving inside, you're gonna have triple sliders that go into each other, to really feel like an open type environment. You have multiple areas for seating and living. Large TV, blinds for privacy, another area to eat up here. Large galley area with plenty of storage. Retractable sunroof. This boat also comes with twin Raymarine GPSs, gyro stabilizer, the joystick with bow thrusters. Moving below, you see we have two separate beds over here, television, plenty of storage. Also, you're going to have washer dryer. Separate is not the combo. Again, keep moving forward. You're going to have the access panel. Quite extensive. Access to a day head. Also has a separate door to the VIP berth. Shower. Separate than the head. Spacious VIP berth. You're also going to have matching storage on the other side. Now on to the master. Master has the sink outside of the head. Extremely spacious master. Plenty of storage with all the closets. Television. Stereo. And a nice seating area.